Would you like receipt?
How much is it?
11.
Here you go.
For change.
I'm a cash.
Register.
No.
I'm a cashier.
How much is it?
11. Credit card.
Swipe. Do it again. Bingo. That's Bluey.
$5 bill. 1 cent. 20 cents. 50 cents. $5 bill. $10 bill. 10.
Yeah. How about this number?
$20 bill.
Okay.
Time to go and pay for all these lovely things.
You
Make
go.
sure you pick up some beans for dinner, Rita.
Make sure you pick up some beans for dinner. Do you like beans? Checkout time when you're ready to pay. All done? When you're ready to pay, you have to go to the checkout. I would like to buy this. How much is it?
$20.
Here you go.
这会用这个。
I know you have to scan the items that people buy. What would you like to buy?
I don't know.
I know. How about this water bottle? You can ask me how much it is.
How about this?
Let's scan it. Beep. $10, please. The
Yeah.
paper? Yeah?
It's a bargain.
That's a bargain. And then you put the money in the drawer and close it. Close it. And then you can say next. Next customer.
Next
Customer.
customer. And I'm $11.
$11? Put the money in the drawer.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Ready. Would you like a receipt?
Yes.
Would you like a receipt? Go to.
Oh, you want two? 2 receipts? Thank you for shopping at TJ Maxx. Oh, one more, Dollar Tree. Receipt. You have 3. How much is it?
11.
Here you go. I give you 15.
Here's your change.
I'm a cash.
Register.
No.
I'm a cashier.
How much is it?
11.
Beep. $11. Here you go. Okay, would you like to donate to the Children's Hospital? Do you have a membership?